Hi, I'm Steve Hope, President of Diesel Emission Service.
Hi, I'm Wayne Cochran. I'm National Sales Manager for the Redline Emissions Products brand. Steve and I thought we would take a few minutes and put together some quick tips using commonly asked questions that we get to our helpline.
What's the difference between will fit and exact fit?
Think of exact fit as the part coming from the OEM dealer. These parts are the parts that were designed to be used with the system when it was originally manufactured. And we all know that once you replace with an exact fit part, it's going to fit and function exactly as was designed. Will fit parts are often parts that are designed to fit multiple applications, not the OEM part, and can sometimes not function quite as well as the OE part. We've seen gaskets, for example, that weren't quite the same thickness as the OEM part. They eventually cause some clamp issues.
What happens if you don't have an exact fit?
Well, as I suggested, there was a situation where we had a customer that was going through multiple clamps, trying to get them to tighten down on a joint. He was chasing his tail because he kept trying different clamp after clamp, just not getting the results he needed. Underlying was the gasket issue. The gasket wasn't the correct thickness. Once he replaced the gasket, the clamps tightened down properly and he was able to get the system all buttoned up properly.
Yeah, I think I remember the situation where the Cummins gaskets run like 125 in thickness, and I think the brand or the aftermarket gasket he had was like 068, so it was like 60 thousandths too thin, which then affects the apex angle of the clamp, and people blame the clamp until they figure out that it's actually the gasket.
Again, chasing your tail.
Yeah, good one.
You've been watching another edition of Redline Emissions Products Quick Tips. To learn more, go to rep.direct.